Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the weekly collaboration of quick and easy meals. We host this collaboration every Sunday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. I'm going to get busy making this wonderful chicken Parmesan. I'm just going to put a couple of eggs in a bowl, and I'm just going to take a fork and whip these eggs up and get them mixed really well. In another bowl, I'm going to put in some grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to put in some breadcrumbs. To the Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs, I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning, and I'm going to add in some garlic powder. I'll just take a fork and I'm just going to mix this up really well. I'm going to add some flour to another bowl, so I have 3 separate bowls. I have some chicken, and I'm going to get this chicken cut up into some nice thin pieces. I just take the chicken and then I cut it and open it up so I have a really nice thin piece of chicken. You could also take some plastic wrap or plastic bag and put the chicken in it, and then take a meat tenderizing hammer and just pound it out flat. But I figure this works just as well, and it's really quick and efficient. And just open up all the big thick pieces just like this so that they're nice and thin. I have the 3 separate bowls, the flour, the egg, and the wonderful Parmesan with breadcrumbs and seasoning. So what I'm going to do first is take the chicken and I'm going to dredge it in the flour. I'm going to put it in the flour and get it really nice and covered. And you can season up this flour as well with a wonderful seasoning so that your chicken will be really well flavored all through every process of the way. And now that I put it in the flour, I'm going to take it and put it in the egg mixture. And I'm going to get it coated with the egg mixture. And I'm going to use this hand to do this so that I keep the other hand nice and dry for when I dip it in the breadcrumbs. All right, so now it's coated in the egg, and I'm going to put it into the breadcrumb. Just lay it right in there, and then I'm going to take the other hand that's dry. I'm just going to coat it in the wonderful breadcrumbs Parmesan cheese mixture. Just pat it right down so that it sticks on really well. I have some oil heating in this skillet. I'll get it really nice and hot, and then it'll be time for me to cook up the chicken. We'll cook this chicken until it's nice and brown on one side, and then we'll flip it over and cook the other side. I'll drain this chicken on some paper towels to take up any of the extra oil. When the chicken's at least 165 degrees, we know it's done. We're going to make a homemade sauce for our chicken Parmesan. This is just a super quick, easy sauce. I've added oregano in, and then I'm going to just sprinkle in a little bit of Italian seasoning. And here's how our wonderful chicken Parmesan turned out. I placed the provolone cheese slices on top, and they're melting right now with our wonderful sauce. I am so happy you are here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Anna and Jean's channels. They'll also be hosting their videos this evening as well. I'll see you next time.